The smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
Assalamualaikum. The Smart School, Class 4, Subject Values Education, Video Lesson 1. Dear student, today's topic of our lesson is happiness. Time duration 35 minutes. The sources required: A4 size, loose paper, pencil, sharpener and eraser. By the end of this lesson, we should be able to identify happy emotions, distinguish happy emotions. What I like. Today I have an activity for you named What I Like. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Take a piece of paper and a pencil. First draw a happy face on the top of the paper. Then write 5 things you like and you feel happy while doing them. Think and write 5 things you like and you feel happy while doing them. Now I am sharing a list of things that I like which make me feel happy. Planting flowers in the garden, reading a book, playing games, making a fort out of blankets and pillows, drawing my favorite objects or characters, singing a song, poems, rhymes. If you like any above given activity, add it in your list. What makes me feel sad? This time, write 5 things on a piece of paper which make you feel sad. And don't forget to draw a sad face on the top of the paper. Think and write. What makes you feel sad? Things which make us feel sad. When our favorite thing gets ruined or destroyed. When things go wrong. When we miss someone. When we feel left out. When nobody listens. When someone is rude to us. If any of the above given things make you feel sad, add it in your list. I know everyone feels sad at times, but you need to know how to make yourself feel better. Tips to feel better. I am sharing with you one tip to feel better when you feel left out, when nobody wants to play with you. Ask someone else to play with you. This is a very good tip and you feel better. Now it is your turn. See the given situations and give me tips on how to feel better. When you miss someone, find ways to stay in touch with you. When someone acts rude or mean towards you, find a friend and stick together. When your favorite thing gets ruined, find something else that makes you feel better. When things go wrong, try to do little act of kindness. In this lesson, we have discussed the things which make us happy and sad. We have also shared the tips how to feel better when we are sad. So, we have learned that the happiness of our life depends upon the quality of our thoughts. Now tell What would you like to feel? Happy or sad? Yes, try to be happy. Smile and enjoy your life. See you in the next video lesson. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.